Today we will be looking at the CLIP Text Encode node in ComfyUI. This node is one of the most important parts of the prompt-based generation because it turns your text into something like model can understand. If load checkpoint loads the model, CLIP Text prepares the prompt for that model. It is the bridge between your words and the image generation process. So let's create a CLIP Text Encode node. Double click on the screen. Type CLIP Text Encode. It will just pop here. Click on the node and again click to create the node. Most of the workflow have two CLIP Encode node. One is for positive and the second one is for the negative prompt. So to duplicate this CLIP Text Encode node, press Alt, left mouse button and drag. It will duplicate it. You can see the yellow dots here. You have to just connect the yellow color with the yellow color. You can also color this text encode. Most of the time the positive prompt node we color it with green and the negative prompt we color it with red. And this is the text encode node where you give your prompt to generate the image or edit the image, which we will cover later in the video. I will just show you how to write the prompt. For example, you can type create a beautiful girl with blue eyes. This is the example prompt, and you can give the negative prompt as blurry, distorted, watermark. So in this way you can write prompts in your CLIP Text Encode. Think of this node like a translator. You type in a prompt in plain language and CLIP Text Encode converts that text into a format that AI can understand. This node takes your text prompt and encodes it into conditioning data. That conditioning tells the model what you want it to create. Without this node, your prompt would just be like plain text. The model would not know how to use it. This is why CLIP Text Encode is essential in most text-to-image workflow. Technically, CLIP stands for Contrastive Language Image Pre-training. In ComfyUI, the text is processed through the CLIP encoder and turned into conditioning, which the sampler later uses to guide image generation. So remember this clearly. CLIP Text Encode does not draw the image. It prepares the meaning of your prompt so the model can follow it. You will use this node whenever you want the model to follow your text prompt, whether it is a simple object, a character, a mood, or a full scene. To summarize this, CLIP Text Encode takes your prompt, process it, and pass that information to the rest of the workflow. In the next video, we will continue this series and keep building the workflow node by node.